Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start immediately by confirming the phone is awake and charged, then open the gallery. Navigate to the folder containing the photo you want. Once you find it, tap to open full screen. Make sure the picture resolution is high enough for your screen. Higher DPI preserves detail. If needed, pinch to zoom and inspect edges so you don't crop important parts later. Once done, tap the menu or options icon to reveal the Set As or Wallpaper command and prepare to position it precisely. Now you choose where the wallpaper goes, home, lock, or both. Select the option and the crop tool appears. Use pinch gestures to zoom and drag to reposition the focal area. Pay attention to icons and widgets so important parts aren't obscured. Align the subject slightly off-center if app icons sit center. Once positioned, check preview modes, including parallax or scrolling behavior, to ensure motion doesn't cut off details. If it looks right, tap Set. If not, refine cropping and repeat until satisfied. Finish by tapping Set and watching for the confirmation that the wallpaper applied. If something looks off, icons covering the subject, blur, or wrong crop, don't panic. Reopen the image and repeat the crop with better framing or select Fit/Center options. For low-resolution images, swap to a higher-resolution file or choose a background blur intentionally for style. One key troubleshooting tip: if the phone auto-zooms unexpectedly, disable any auto-fit setting in the wallpaper picker before reapplying to preserve your chosen framing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.